Alright, beauty professionals, in this video, I'm gonna show you real quick how to make a blood clot. So it's very simple, but keep in mind this scar wax that I'm using here is just for demo purposes only. I don't have any makeup to make it blend in with my skin tone right now. But what I'm doing is I'm spreading the wax out. I used a little bit of olive oil to help me to spread it out. Now, normally when you do scar wax, you put spirit gum or whatever to help it to stick. I did not do that because I was taking it right off. I used a paper clip with a little bit of oil on it so it could slide through and cut through the wax. Then I'm gonna apply some red makeup just to deepen the look of the cut. And then to really make it deep, I can add brown or black to it. So in this case, I used a brown. And that just intensifies that red and make it a lot deeper and darker. And then, of course, I'm adding a little makeup on the scar wax just to kind of hide that it doesn't match my skin all the way. And then I applied a little bit of blood. Now here's the part where you actually make the blood clot. You take a little bit of coil cotton, something that you would use either for manicures or for perms. You can get it from Sally's beauty supply or from any other store, I'm sure. And when you place it into the fake blood, it expands, and therefore you have a huge blood clot. So since I'm bleeding so much, I'm just gonna use a stipple sponge to spread it around. And there you have it, guys. What are your thoughts? Are you gonna try to make a blood clot? Happy Halloween!